So here's the dealio basically for today's episode is try and get as much of this into there. Right. I do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the what the hell? The new Wimpy brother. He ain't Wimpy though, man. Alright, mate. Whoa, shit. Yeah, we got families there. That's like a mountains Arctic wolf or something. Anyway, right. Right, where was I? Sorry, yeah. Back working on Project GOLF GTIII. Yeah, so I basically went for the old stealth. Now, to be honest, this was the train of thought. I've already paid for them. I might as well wang them on. If I don't like them, I'll just swap them out for OEM. Looks kind of cool. Yeah, but to those of you who are new to the channel, then consider I'm going to leave a little link. Hang on, let me get this right. It's going to be there. So if you want to see this build from the start, from day one, when it kind of was looking really sorry for itself, just fresh off the boat from New York, consider clicking that link so you don't miss out on anything. There was a few comments that were kind of saying, oh yeah, now I'm really happy to see the car complete, what's coming next? And I was like, yeah, complete. You wait till you see, yeah, what's left. Check this out. Yeah, right. Right, so in summary, these are the wheel arch, inner wheel arches. That is all stuff that needs to go back into the boot. Back seats, looking forward to get them in. I also received, hiding behind this little seat, is that, I keep forgetting what it's called now, trailing arm, that thing, which is that thing. I'm not sure if you remember on episode 8, 9, where I discovered that was obviously all smashed and bust, so that needs to go on. Then the side skirt, gotta have the old GTI side skirt, can't wait to get that wanged on. So here's the dealio. Edith has invited our rather lovely yet competitive neighbours round for a bit of a shindig tonight, which, yeah, getting the old gaming spirit, they're up for a game of petanque. Deet's giving me the lowdown, just giving me the look, told me basically, get this thing off the petanque playing field. Big game tonight, England versus France on my home turf. I can't be losing this. So where to start basically? Well, I think I'm going to start up in here. Not sure if you can see all the carpet, everything is missing, obviously from the boot, everything's missing up there. So obviously if I can get all this in, then hopefully I can get the back seat in, and yeah, all the big panels, parcel shelf, all the big stuff, and yeah, try and then move onwards and forwards. So yeah, let's stop jibber jabbering and get to work and do it. Now I'm going to aim to get all this sort of carpety and plasticky bits, all the boot trim all installed as well. And for that, this back chair all needs to come out and do it. man's not hot. Now I'm roasting, man. Jesus. Right, yeah. Okay, so all in here's looking pretty good. Look, yeah, all the trims, all the boot trims kind of going in nicely, even wanged in the old parcel shelf. Then I put in the back seats again. Obviously just the back seats, yeah. Screwed in all the seat belts, and yeah, pretty much now we're left to sort of kind of continue on with the trim into the front. Can't wait to get that installed, all the lighty up bits, all the cool funky bits. And then, yeah, put in the back seat. That's for the first time. Really excited about doing that. And yeah, I think, like I say, I can see a little bit more of the old purple rug, so I think we're making some progress. Yeah, it's just a little bit scotcho is all. I'm gonna slurp a bit more of this H2O down, and yeah, let's keep going, shall we? Adored. Unfortunately, that is going to have to be it for today. Yeah, really happy though with obviously how the interior is looking. It did certainly take a little bit of time, and yeah, I think to be honest, there was a few things I put in the wrong order which didn't help, but yeah, it's all looking great. A bit more space on the old purple rug, but yeah, like I say, old Wimpy's got to go and pick some old gattos up for tonight. So right, wish me luck. English pride is on the line. So yeah, and yeah, we hate losing French in any sport, even if it is pétanque. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'll see you in the morning. Alright? Yep, a lovely sunny day here again in Farge. Now, first things first, guess who was victorious on his home turf last night? Yeah, boy! Brushed him off, mate. I was like... As you can see, I've also been a bit busy this morning, put the Golf back, and yeah, got the wheel off because, let me show you what is the plan. Right, so basically just got it jacked up, whipped the back wheel off because, yeah, I'd like to change out this little bad boy. Hang on. Yeah, this bad boy. Again, I forget what it's called, the support thing. Yeah, now I've got the new one. Wow, that's burning hot. Yeah, time to get it changed out. And yeah, basically once that's done, hopefully it'll be ready to go for an alignment. So yeah, after that, I'll be looking to wang on the old side skirt. Give it that sporty look. By the way, I do apologise for the old backing track of the old building going on next door, but yeah, not much I can do about that, unfortunately. Apart from get the old tunes on and do it. Let's get it work. Boom. go, ready to go back on the car. Obviously this, whatever we call it, like sort of push rivet thing, yeah, that was not easy to get off. I had to just sort of swap it out for a bolt in the end, but it's on. This is ready to go back on the car, although having a closer inspection of this part, it's actually a little crease in the top there. You can see that? I mean, I'm not sure if that's a big deal or not, but yeah, I might need to get one of them on order. But anyway, I'm gonna get this on the car quick sharp and yeah, start having a look at, yeah, getting the old wheel arch fitted. I'd do it. Yeah, but I put the old mud flap on just because they were in the back of the car, but I definitely, yeah, I'm whipping that straight off. Looks proper grandma to me, that ain't GTI. Right, mud flap delete, and do it. Boom, there we go. Granny flap, delete. Yeah, looks way better. Gangster. Speaking of gangster, time to make this side look ultra gangster. Start trying to figure out how we can get this old side skirt on. Now, from what I can tell, there's like some self-tapering screws that hold on that kind of bracket thing. You can see the holes that are sort of staggered across that bottom rocker panel. On the quarter panel, they are missing. So I think install the strip, figure out where the holes have got to go, and yeah, start drilling and do it. Is gonna have to be it for today's episode. Now, I am really pleased to finally get that interior installed, and I think there's a pretty good argument to say the Autobahn pack on the 7.5 Golf is one of the best interiors in the modern day Golf around. Yeah, definitely has the wow factor for me. I really feel with kind of like having the gauges up front, it has all the mod cons that you want and the sound system that you want. That leather interior with the red stitching, I love it personally. Yeah, it sort of has that wow factor, really sporty yet like GTI feel about it. Seeing the Mark 8 that's just come out and the interior that's in that, yeah, I'm sticking with what I got, thanks. But as far as kind of how the car is looking overall, yeah, I'm really starting to get that sort of excited feeling now that I'm getting towards the end, and yeah, just really can't wait now. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. If you have and you are enjoying this build, then hit that thumbs up. But as always guys, I've been Wimpy, you've been awesome for watching, thank you so much. Keep them comments coming in down below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Laters. And today we're back working on. Right, there seems to be a howl-off war between, yeah, dogs. Right. I'm trying to film here, buddy, alright?